Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to explain the break and continue keyword. And the break keyword will break out of a loop, another place where you seen this is a switch. I hope you have seen this break in the switch statement. If you haven't seen, then just go ahead and watch the previous video. And within a switch statement, continue will skip the current iteration. Here, that example which I have just shown. Let's create a for loop that will count up to the number 20. I'll set I equal to 1. I will continue this as long as I is less or equal to 20. Just we have already seen how to create the loop. Then for int I will start with 1, then semicolon. I'll go till 20. Then I is till 20, right? Then I plus plus. Okay, then just make the curly braces. I'll increment this by 1. Then I'll add new line. Just go ahead how we print our counter. We print with std standard c out, then I, right? Then just add new line character just to print in new line, and then put semicolon to break the statement, to finish the statement. Control S, then hit run. So we have the number 1 through 20, as we can see here, 1, 2, 3 till 20, right? And I would like to skip the number 13 because 13 is considered as unlucky number, right? I know it's weird example. What I will do is use an if statement within my loop. Just go ahead and write here if I is equal to 13, okay? Then break the loop. Then break the loop. Okay? Just control S to save the program, hit run. Now what it will do, it will just go ahead and break the loop, and it's not going to print more than that. There you are. We have 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, not 13, 14, because we have break the loop with this statement. If there is a 13, just break. It's just broken that loop and it's just come out of loop. What happened exactly when we have the number 1 through 12? Once we hit 13, we break out of the loop. We do not finish the rest of the iteration. If we replace with the continue, if we replace this break with continue, then what happens? Just go ahead and write and see what happens. Control S, hit run. There you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 11, 12, 14, not 13. Why? We have the number 1 through 20, but the number 13 isn't there. So using the continuous keywords, we skip the current iteration, correct? So yeah, that is the break and the continue keyword. These keywords are available if you need then them, but where you will use, it is really depend, but just to show you, okay? So you know they exist and they can be used. This is the break and continuous keyword in C++. Thank you.